Good evening, everybody. How are you? Fine. Hope you are all keeping well. Okay, let's discuss a new topic today, that is arithmetic progression. In brief, it is AP. A stands for arithmetic, P stands for progression. This is an important chapter of math and very interesting. Keep it in mind. So listen very carefully. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. First, what is AP? I have written here follow: a succession of number is said to be an AP. AP means arithmetic progression. If each term of the sequence can be obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first number. This is the definition. I will explain right now. What is sequence? Sequence, you look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You tell me example of sequence. Sequence 1, then 2, then 3. Increasing by 1, increasing by 1, increasing by 1, and so on. So this is a sequence. Same as here, 2, then 4, then 6. That means 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, dot, dot, dot. So this is a sequence. Clear? So can be obtained by a sequence, can be obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. This is the first term. If you add 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Again, 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 1, 6. Clear? Can be obtained by adding a fixed number. This is the fixed number to the preceding term. This is the preceding term. Preceding term 2, preceding 3 and 5. Except the first term. So except this one. Clear? So again I am repeating this one. What is an AP? AP is like one, a succession of number. This is the succession of number is said to be an AP if each term of the sequence can be obtained by adding a fixed number. This is the fixed number. Adding with the previous number. Isn't it? 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12 and so on. So this is APs. Clear? Fine. Next. Therefore we can write the general term. The general term. General term. Write down everybody. Term of an AP. This is a formula. Is A, then A plus D, then A plus 2D, then A plus 3D, dot, dot, dot. This is the general term of an AP. So note this one. This is the first term, then adding D, A plus D. Then again another D, 2D. Then again add another D, so 3D. So constant term here is D. This is the general term and of an AP. Okay? So till this we have learned what is AP and AP, what is sequence, and what is the first number, what is constant number, and the general term of an AP. Everybody got it? Okay, fine. This is very important chapter. So listen very carefully. Have any kind of doubt or any clarification, you can ask me. So AP, for example, examples of AP. Lot of examples I am giving. You write down. 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. Again you tell me 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, 3. Adding 4, coming 7, adding 4, coming 11, adding 4, 15. So this is an example of an arithmetic progression. This is increasing order, same as the decreasing order. 15 minus 3, 12, 12 minus 3, 9, 9 minus 3, 6, 6 minus 3, 3. So the decreasing order of an AP. Clear? Find. Next. Formula, everybody write down the nth term. How will you obtain the nth term of an AP? Nth term of an AP. The nth term, suppose nth term, okay, written as an, nth term of an AP. Of an AP is, you write down an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term and d is called common difference. Clear? A equal to, you can write it if you have a doubt, first term, and d is called common difference. Clear? So n term of an AP written as an. So an formula, a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is called first term, d common difference. Everybody got it? Very good. This is n term, isn't it? Now n term, one next formula, n term, okay, of an AP. From the end, try to understand from the end. We have just written a formula, nth term, that is from the first. Now I am writing from the end. N equal to you can write L minus n minus 1 into d, where L is called the last term. L called the last term. So for n we are having two formulas. One, n equal to, again I am writing a plus n minus 1 into d, a first term, d common difference, or this one also n. Okay. Next, sum of an AP. How you take the sum of an AP series? So you have to memorize these formulas. Sum of n term of an AP. Formula you write down, everybody. Sn, S denoting sum, equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the sum of n term of an AP. Okay. Another formula we have, you can write down Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So this two formula helps us to get the sum of an AP series. One Sn equal to this n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. A is called first term and d common difference. Or another one we have Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l, where a is called first term and l is called the last term. So this is the basic concept of an arithmetic progression. You got it? So what is AP clear? What are the different formula clear? Fine. So next we are entering the different sums. You can do it. If you have problem, please ask me. Number 1. 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. Next, minus 5, minus 1, 3 and 7. Two questions are given. Find first term and common difference. So for the first one, what is the first term? Everybody listen. So first term 3. So you write down here first term equal to A equal to 3. Any doubt? Very good. Next, common difference. So common difference denoting D equal to this minus this. 1 minus 3. Answer please, minus 2. So first one we have done. This is the first term and common difference 1 minus 3 or minus 1 minus 1. Clear? Good. Now do. Here is the first term is 5. So A equal to 5. What is the common difference? What is the common difference? D equal to minus 1, then minus 5. Minus 1, minus, plus. So this coming out what? 4. Everybody got it? Okay. Next, write down. Next question, number 3. Which term of the AP? Write down everybody. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, is 78? You follow the question, everybody. Which term? They are asking, you have to find out the term. Which term of the AP is 78? That means you have to find out the value of n. Okay? So we are taking, let nth term be 70, right? Let nth term be 78. Clear? So what is the first term here? First term 3. Write down first term 3. What is the common difference? 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Any doubt? Can ask me? No doubt. Okay. Write down. We know that one, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Tn. This is Tn means 78. Clear? Equal to value of a 3 plus n minus 1 D for 5. Okay, look very carefully. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 dot is 70? So this is the value of Tn. They are asking to find the value n. So now solve it this one. This is 70 to find. 78 equal to 3 plus 5n. We are taking the product 5 into n, 5n, 5 into 1, 5. Okay. Then 78 equal to 5n plus 3 minus 5, coming out minus 2. Okay. Check it out. Any doubt can ask me. Okay. Right. Next. 78, then minus 2 here, 5n. Therefore 80 equal to 5n. N equal to, we are dividing 8 by 5 equal to 16. Got it, everybody? So write down the nth term. 16th term, 16th term. B 78. Clear? So this is the fundamental of arithmetic progression. Everybody got it? No doubt. I think everybody have enjoyed the class. Okay, fine. Check it out. So before going to end the class, I would request everybody to subscribe, comment and like my channel. Okay? So keep enjoy yourself. See you on the next class. Good night.